Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this simple cake recipe using a Parle biscuit. For that I've been taken a jar and I'm gonna slightly cut all my biscuits and I'm gonna transfer all this to my jar. Later I'm gonna add nearly 5 spoons of sugar and grind it till it turns very fine powder. Once it's done, I'm gonna transfer all these tiny substance to my another container. Now I'm gonna add nearly 1 spoon of baking powder and I'm gonna mix it roughly. If not Parle, you can use any other glucose biscuits also. In another cup, I'm gonna take jams for my decoration. Now I'm gonna add nearly half cup of milk and I'm gonna mix it roughly. Now I'm gonna add nearly 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. You can add different essence also. Once it is done, mix it thoroughly till it turns smooth. Now consequently I am taking another container and I'm gonna add nearly 2 to 3 drops of food oil and I'm gonna mix it all over my vessel. Now I'm dusting a bit maida such that it should not stick to my vessel. Now I'm gonna preheat my cooker by adding some water and some holder. You can use any holder. You preheat for nearly 10 minutes with gasket. You should close the lid and preheat for 10 minutes. In another cup I have been chopped with dry fruits and I'm gonna add this to my mixed substance. I'm gonna mix it thoroughly. Once mixing is done, I'm gonna transfer all this to my another vessel. And once my cooker is preheated, I'm gonna close this lid and bake my cake for nearly 40 minutes. Now my cake is ready. I'm gonna invert this vertically downward direction. And yeah, here my cake is ready. It is so small and it's looking so cute. I'm gonna decor this by using gems. I made this cake for my father for the occasion of Father's Day and I wish for all happy Father's Day. And my cake is ready. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.